in Tanjung Pura University in PPG Daljak 2. I, as a teacher at the Vocational School Negeri 2 Sungai Liat Bangka Belitung. This morning, Wednesday, August 18, 2021, I will do the teaching task performance from 9 till 10:30 EM in the theme descriptive tag for the 10th class in the first semester. Okay, let's check my video. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my students. Okay, very good. Okay, keep spirit, yeah. Okay, how are you today? How are you today? Fine.
Good.
I hope you always fine because this is a period of COVID-19, so you must keep your health. Don't forget to wash your hand, and you must wear a mask if you leave your home. And then the last, keep your distance. Itu ya. So you must keep your health and your spirit. Okay, students. Before we are going to our material, so I wanna our captain, our leader, Miranda Revia, to lead pray first. Okay, Miranda Revia, please you pray. Now,
let's pray together. Finish. Amin.
Amin. Thank you, Miranda. Okay, now I wanna check about our absent today. I think I check your name, Angelita Anggraini.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't forget to say present, yeah, if you present. And then Altedo. Okay, speaker.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Della.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much for your join in our class for today. But before you guess our material, so I want to check about, can you see my face? Can you see my face?
Yes.
Yes, of course, that's right. And then, can you hear ma'am voice? Can you hear ma'am voice? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. And then, ma'am want to check about your voice, okay. Hello, Miranda, could you check your sound? Your microphone? Hello, Miranda, hello. Okay, good, very good. Cynthia, what about you? Check your microphone, please. Hello, Cynthia.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, next, I want to give some direction about rules of in online learning, gitu kan. I want to give some rules gitu. Nah, jadi Mem akan memberikan aturan apa saja yang kita akan gunakan di pembelajaran daring ini atau online. Jadi I want to explain about our rules in online or synchronous teaching. The first, when the teacher explain about the material, please turn off your microphone. If there is something you want to ask, you can press the raise hand symbol. Jadi if you have some question, maybe you have some you wanna answer the question, so you may press a symbol handnya itu. Okay? Bisa ya? Then when you want to ask a question or answer a question, you turn on your microphone. Jadi kalau mau nanya nih, dinyalakan mikrofonnya biar kedengaran yang lain. Oke, clear? Clear ya? For the next ya. Oke? Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, student. I want you to guess about our material for today. This material is familiar to you and for all of us. Yeah. Okay, are you ready to study? Are you ready to study? Ready? Okay, spirit, please. Are you ready to study?
Ready.
Okay, very good. Okay. To you. Okay, the instruction, please watch the following short video then guess what is the material today. Okay, please ready. I want to play this video twice, and after that, you can guess about our materials. Okay, twice, yeah. Once more. Okay, class. Have you can guess about our materials? Yes. Okay. Who wanna answers or a guess about our material today? Please raise your hand.
Descriptive.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Miranda Revia. Huh? Okay, very good. Descriptive text. Okay, in a specific. Okay, give applause please to Miranda. Okay, in specific title about tentang apa nih? Coba yang lain. Cynthia, baby. Cynthia, about the specific material.
Describing place, ma'am.
Describing place. Okay, this is our challenge. Who want to describe one of the tourism place in the video above? Ya, just one gitu ya. Okay, please raise your hand. Come on, don't be shy and raise your hand, please. You may describe about our tourism place from video above. Louder, please.
I want to describe about Paratenggiri Beach. The beach Paratenggiri is located in Sungai Liat Bangka, the island of Bangka Belitung, a beautiful beach with blue gradation on the street of sea, white sand and large rocks that adorn it does not make useless visiting here.
Okay, good. Okay. Next, this is time to me to explain about our materials. This is the title is a descriptive text and especially in a describing place. Okay, we can talk about tourism place and then a historical place. Okay, next. Before we are going to our deep material, so I wanna explain about kompetensi dasar. Di sini ada kompetensi dasarnya. Yang pertama itu adalah menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks deskriptif, lisan, dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi pendek dan sederhana terkait orang, benda, dan tempat sesuai dengan konteks penggunanya. Okay, could you hear my voice? Bisa dengar suara saya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. And the basic of competence 4.4 di sini 4.4-nya adalah menyusun teks deskriptif lisan dan tulis, pendek dan sederhana terkait orang, benda, dan tempat dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks. Okay, you must remember about the basic competence, our material. Okay, this is about the purpose of lesson. Number one, melalui video dan teks deskriptif tempat wisata yang disajikan, peserta didik dapat menganalisis struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan teks deskriptif tertulis dengan memberi informasi terkait tempat wisata terkenal, pendek dan sederhana dengan tepat sesuai dengan konteks penggunanya. Kemudian lagi yang kedua, melalui gambar tempat wisata yang telah disediakan, peserta didik dapat menyusun teks, tulis, deskriptif tempat wisata, menggunakan struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan yang tepat sesuai dengan konteks penggunanya. Dan yang terakhir, melalui teks tulis yang sudah disusun, peserta didik dapat mempresentasikan deskriptif teks dengan penuh percaya diri. Nah, this is a video. Okay, now this is chance to you to watch and listen this video about the Prambanan Temple compounds. Listen carefully.
Temple compounds. Mount Merapi in the central region of Java in Indonesia has been revered as a sacred mountain since ancient times. At the foot of the mountain are the remains of Prambanan Temple, considered to be one of the finest Hindu temples in Indonesia. Prambanan Temple complex was built during the 9th century, and this 47-meter-high central Shiva temple is considered as the most important. Restoration work on the temple has been ongoing for years. For the Javanese people, Mount Merapi is more than simply an awe-inspiring feature of nature. Its volcanic ash has made the soil fertile, and rainwater collected from the mountain slopes is channeled to their rice fields. The farmers living at the foot of Mount Merapi harvest 3 times each year. But Mount Merapi is an active volcano, and in this seismic area, earthquakes occur from time to time. That's one of the reasons for the continuing restoration work on the temple. When it was hit by the quake in 2006, the site was already under reconstruction from damage caused by earlier earthquakes. The people of Java have worshipped on Mount Merapi and considered it a sacred place for centuries. Repeated earthquakes have profoundly affected them, yet they go on restoring their heritage and rebuilding their lives.
Okay, now, okay class, after you watch the video, so I want you give us some question about the video, and I want to share, maybe you can see the video, bisa ya lihat videonya tadi ya, okay, you can hear the video. Bisa dengar videonya kan? Oke. Nah, for next, I wanna give you some question about the video. So please, I want to share the slide first. Okay, student. After you watch the video, so I want you to give some information have you get from the video. Nah, tadi sudah play the video. So, student, I want you to give some information to answers. Ya, Miranda Revia.
Give information of the video. Prambanan Temple is the biggest Hindu temple site in Asia.
Okay, the largest temple. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you very much, Miranda. Okay, I will I want to give you a reward. Okay, another students, silakan another students. Please raise your hands. about the information? Have you get? Okay, Tiara Rizkia. Tiara Rizkia. Okay, please answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Dedicate to Siva.
Very good. Dedicate to Siva. Yeah, it's okay. Very good. Okay, you get free quota too, Tiara Rizkia. And then next student, silakan untuk siswa yang berikutnya.
This
Okay, your
concentric square, ma'am.
Okay, there's a concentric
Concentric
square. Okay,
Square.
good, very good. Okay, yeah. Okay, there are 4 students can answer the question about the information of the video. Hello, student. Keep spirit, please. Yeah. Okay, good. Now I want to share the next slide. Yeah, this is the text for you. Find the identification, generic structure, and language feature of text below. Okay, now I give chance to Miranda to answer about the generic structure of the descriptive text. Louder, please. Silakan dibaca.
For
The
anyone
answers.
who likes history, Prambanan Temple is the historical tourist place that must be visited. The location is in Yogyakarta, around 10 minutes from Edi Sucipto Airport.
Okay, this is the identification or description, Miranda.
Prambanan Temple is the biggest Hindu temple site in Asia.
Huh?
The building was completed in the mid
9 years. 9
years
years
century during the reign of Sanjaya dynasty.
Okay.
The original name of Prambanan Temple is Sivagra because the temple was
Where is the identification-nya itu? Mana bagiannya? For anyone? The first paragraph, ya, yang mana? Miranda?
yes, ma'am.
Huh?
The identification is for anyone who like history. Prambanan Temple is the historical tourist place that must be visited.
Yeah.
And the description is Prambanan Temple is the biggest Hindu temple site in Asia
Right, in Asia.
because the temple was built to dedicate to the god of Shiva.
Okay, very good. Okay, this is identification in the first paragraph, 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 is a description. Yeah. Okay, what about language features? Tiara Rizkia.
Ma'am, I want to answer.
Oke, silakan. Angel ya. Oke, Angel.
Cynthia.
Oh, Cynthia. Oke, Cynthia. Oke, Cynthia.
Simple present tense, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Yes. I think okay. Do you like to play a game?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, class, could you see the quizzes game? Okay, you can type joinmyquiz.com. Silakan. Okay, ready? Okay, go. You can join. Yeah, begin. In the first rank, Cynthia. The second rank, Alfredo. And the third rank, Miranda. Okay, keep spirit, please. Try to start this game. Okay, students, you can look who is the first rank, Altedo, and the second, Cynthia, and the third, Tiara Rizkia. Okay, this is a knowledge assessment. Nah, ini penilaian pengetahuannya. So the instruction, you must read first. The student has to read the text, then analyze the function of the text, generic structure, and the language features of the text to answer the following question. Skornya di sini ada correct answer equal 100, and then divide total correct answers. Jadi ini nanti setelah kalian mengerjakan ada skornya. Berapa jumlah benar dikalikan dengan 100 dibagikan jumlah total jawabannya itu berapa benarnya. Okay, this is the text about Tanjung Puting National Park. Okay, student, you can do this assignment, this assessment, and then after that you answer the question, and this is question to you. Okay, could you see the Microsoft Team? Bisa lihat Microsoft Team-nya? Halo, kelas? Oke, Spirit please. Bisa ya?
Bisa, ma'am.
Oke, good. Nah, sekarang coba Miranda udah kirim nih. Miranda. Coba kita lihat ya. Oke, we check first. The answer-nya, jawabannya seperti apa nih? Oke, number 1. Nah, ini Mem kasih skor ya. Number 1 is check. Ya, ini benar jawabannya. Skornya tadi satu soal 20 ya nilainya ya.
Number 1, the answer is the author describes the place to
Describes.
describe to place to inform other people about the beauty of the place to make them interested and finally visit the place.
Okay, good. Number 2.
Paragraph 1 identifies the object TPNP and the characteristic of the object amazing, and the other paragraph the details.
Okay. Okay, very good. Number 4 and number 5. Okay, number 4. Okay, go. Please louder.
In daylight,
Uh-huh.
tourists can enjoy proboscis monkey activity, and at night, they can enjoy the clear night sky and the bright stars.
Okay, very good. Nah, for the last number, who want to answer? Number 5. Siapa yang mau jawab
Yes.
yang 5? Siapa?
The answer is park in the cities are man-made. Tanjung Puting National Park is a jungle.
Okay, very good. Ya, jawabannya benar ya. How is the park different from the park in cities, gitu kan? Jadi perbedaan antara Tanjung Puting National Park and park in cities. Oke, jawabannya tadi udah benar. Park in the cities are man-made, but Tanjung Puting National Park is a jungle, natural ya. Oke, maybe do you have some questions, students? Okay, students. Now we are going to the next assessment. So I want to give some instruction first. You make a group first, okay, to discuss about the skill assessment. Okay, this is a skill assessment. You can look this assessment, writing, and I want to give a direction. First, presented picture of tourism place in Bangka Belitung, Bukit Angsa, Pantai Pesona, Telaga Ikan Emas. Okay, this is familiar to you. Students are asked to choose one of the tourism place. And the third, after determining the choice of tourism place, students compose written text appropriately by paying attention to social function. And last, students are asked to make a description text in a group about tourism place. After it is compiled, students are asked to present it. Nih, lihat di file kalian, ada di situ, di file kalian, tinggal dibuka aja filenya. Open your file. Nih, di file sini, Nih, ada materinya udah Mem share. Oke, if you wanna ask some question, you can open your WhatsApp group. Boleh buka WhatsApp grupnya. You may ask with me. Nah, this is boleh ya nih. Yang mau tanya-tanya di WhatsApp group boleh. Oke. Siapa yang udah mengumpulkan? Oke, Miranda. Oke, Miranda lagi ya. Oke, Miranda. This is your skill assessment. Miranda, could you help me to read your assessment? This is your group 1 ya. Miranda,
Yes.
Della, and Mega Septiani. Oke, you presented. Oke, silakan dipresentasikan. Miranda.
Bukit Angsa Emas is a tourist spot in the Bangka Island.
Oke, good.
Location in the Tanjung Gunung area, Central Bangka. The scenery is very exotic. From a height, you can see the high seas and ships going back and forth. Lunch with a breeze
is ya, breeze is a gathering gitu ya.
breeze
Ya.
breeze is it because it is at the top of the hill. The location,
And then,
the facilities are very complete with a cottage-like feel. A visit to Bukit Angsa is recommended on sunny weather because this area is scarcely covered by fog.
okay, very good. Give applause
Thank you.
to group Miranda for the first group. Okay, give applause. Okay, next. Coba lanjut ya. Berikutnya coba group 3. Group 3.
I want to presentasi about our assignment is the Telaga Ikan Mas. Telaga Mas is
Okay.
located on Jalan Toba, Wat, Udai Neighborhood, Sinarjaya Village, Sungai Liat District, Bangka Regency, Bangka Belitung Island Province. Time to visit starts at 8:30 WIB and close at 18 WIB. The concept offered by the location is family tourism. The place is very interesting to visit. There are restaurants and cafes with very good menus. There are fishing grounds of children and adults with a flower garden and a mini zoo. The tourist spot is increasingly in demand. If you want to enjoy a family tour while fishing, come immediately to Telaga Emas. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, you have a good pronunciation. Give it applause. You fluently to read the text. Okay, after you do discussion with your friend, I give you penilaian sikap. Okay, maybe you must know about this course. This is a writing assessment-nya. Aspeknya suitable vocabulary and then the grammars, spelling and punctuation. Okay, this is a skill assessment-nya, keterangannya skor maksimal sama dengan jumlah aspek dikalikan description. Nilai keterampilannya, jumlah skor perolehan dibagi skor maksimal dikali 100. Oke, lanjut lagi, next. Nah, ini skill assessment-nya juga. Ini untuk presentation assessment-nya. Ini ada nama peserta didik, organisasi. We are going to our reflection after ma'am give a material about describing tourism place. So I hope you get new material to you. You have get new experience from our material today. Silakan Cynthia.
Material. After studying this material, I know more about social function, generic structure, and language feature from descriptive text.
Maybe another student who want give some conclusion about our material today. Ada yang mau? Silakan. Conclusion our materials after we study this material. So I think you can understand about what is the descriptive text, especially describing place. Okay, and then you know about the describing text, where is the identification, and then where is a description. I think that's all meeting for today. For the next time, we are going to new materials, talk about recontext. And don't forget to do your LKPD. Jangan lupa kerjakan latihannya at your home. Thank you very much, class, for your join in our class meeting today. If I have some question, please forgive me. Okay, see you next time. And I want our... Okay, Miranda, silakan pimpin doanya dulu.
Okay, everyone. Let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, class. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.